Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an Oompa Loompa from Wonka. So let's get started. To draw this cute Oompa Loompa, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to start with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a curve that slants down. So just continuing my circle, I'm going to come down and just add a little curve right here to anchor the eyes. So just follow the top of the eye and just drag a curve down. Then from there at the bottom right here, just draw a little line, little curve to anchor once again. Just thin little line. Then from there, let's go above each eye and we're going to draw the brow. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and slant a curve down over the eye, round it off to thicken it off, to thicken it up, and same thing here. Curve down and thicken it up. There, white brows, right? And then from there, let's draw a sweet smile. So in between the eyes, say about right here, go ahead and draw a curve, slightly goes up and cap it off. From there, let's frame the face. So let's go above the eye, let's find the top of our eye and come out, say about right here, and same thing here. It's next to our lash. And then we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come down, same thing here, come down, and just kind of imagining how low I want it. So find my center, I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point so I know where I'm going because I'm drawing kind of big. And I'm just going to continue my curve coming down to that point. So definitely turn your body or your paper, whatever you need to help you draw this curve. There. Got this round big curve in, right? So then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up. And you start to draw the top of our head. So notice I'm kind of going, well, actually, no, we don't need to. Let's go straight and then go up. So about right there, we're going to go in and find my other side. So say about right here. This is easier for my hand to go this way. Just going to draw a curve coming down there. Then from there, let's draw the little tuft of hair on the top. So right about here, we're going to draw a curve towards the center and then go right back up. And then let's go ahead, we're going to go up with this little mound of hair. So out, just going to draw this big curve, and then I'm going to go up and let's say about right here. We're going to come in a little bit, and then we're going to come up and draw a curl. So come in, curve, back in, and then just imagine the other side about right here. It's going to come out and connect. Then from there, let's draw some curves right here so we know that this is still hair and not like chocolate kisses or something, right? Okay, so there. Let's draw some of these curves. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to work on the side. So let's come right here. We're going to come out to about, say, here where the eye is, and then we're going to curl. We're going to curl up, and then we're going to bring everything back down to about right here where the chin area is. So let's go out this big curve and bring it in, and then wobble our way back. There, and so same thing over here. To about right here, same area on the other side, and then just go out. And once again, just gonna bring it in, and then wobble our way back. There. So hopefully I've captured the look of an Oompa Loompa. I love saying the name, it's so cute. Okay, so there. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we are going to come about right here and here in the center. And then we're going to draw this little, kind of like a little turtleneck thing going on. So let's come and connect it with a curve. And then there's some stripes in here, so. And one more there. So I make sure I have enough space. And then we're going to come out for shoulders. And same thing here for shoulders. And then now that this part, this bending area, we're going to come down and down. So I'm going to give it a little bit of an angle, and we're going to bring it all the way down for the body area. And before we finish that, let's go ahead and draw the suspenders. So we're going to come right here and we're going to draw a V shape right underneath the neck right there. And I'm going to have this one overlap. So I'm going to bring this down as straight as I can, and right here thicken it up about there. And then we're going to connect it with a V and put a little circle inside. So same thing over here. To about right there, and then connect it. There. Okay, so definitely have to turn your body. Then about right here in this area is where it's going to cut off. So just continue that line. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and we're going to start the pants area. So let's bring this down, and we're going to start to flare it out for these wonky pants. So let's bring this out. Very stylish pants. So we'll bring it out, and then about right there, let's just go ahead and round it off and bring it in. Round it off and bring it in. Then say about right here in the center, just give myself a slight angle line. And then this is where our legs are going to start. So I'm going to come out with 2 angle lines. So let's bring this down and here. So say about right there and connect. So same thing here. There. And then the legs. So let's come to the center. I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines coming down just to simplify it. And then right about here, we're going to draw a circle. And then let's just end it up right here with some shoes, just to simplify it. So curve and then just connect. There. So same thing over here. 2 angle lines, and then add a little circle. And the shoes. There. Okay, so these balls have these, they're brown, so I think maybe I should do that when I'm coloring. I'm putting these stripes here. Well, I'm just going to draw the stripes so you can see it a little bit better. But something like that. Then you can just color it in brown, I believe. There. Okay. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So I'm going to have the hands kind of on the hip area about right here. So let's bring this out. Kind of like where the armpit area would be, about right here. And then bring it down to there. And so let's connect everything. Thicken it all up. And bring it in. Connect it right there. And then the hands, an angle, and then a little finger right there. And before I forget, there's a little cuff here, also with some stripes. There. So same thing on the other side, about right here. So we're going to end about the same area right here. So let's keep that in mind. And so about right here, and angle in. So once again, let's just thicken everything up. Bring it in. Connect. And once again, a little finger. There. And a little crease if you like. And let's see if I'm missing anything. I think that's about it. I think I'm going to make these feet a little bit wider. They seem too small to be holding him up. So I'm just going to widen it out. Hopefully that makes it look a little bit better. There. And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to come right here really quickly and add a small little heart to make this my Draw So Cute Oompa Loompa from Wonka or Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.